In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Grand Peace Online on PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and access the Grand Peace Online experience. All that you have to do is open Roblox on any platform. So for this video, I'm gonna be doing it on PC, but you will also be able to do these exact steps on PlayStation 4, mobile, and of course Xbox. So all that you have to do is look for the experience. Once you use the search function, you will be able to find Grand Peace Online. So when you confirm that it is the official experience by the fact that it has almost 1 billion visits, you will be able to go ahead and join. Keep in mind that while you can join and play on any platform, some platforms might have limitations on the controls. This is because most developers will focus the experience for PC, but you are still able to join and play on most platforms. So you will see plenty of options. You have Set Sail, which is the main one to just start playing, but you can also go over to the Universal Hub to see more options, customize, and then join private servers if you want to play alone or with your friends. So I'm just gonna go ahead and Set Sail to demonstrate how this would look like if it is your first time joining Grand Peace Online. You will see a lot of loading screens, but finally after you load in, you will be able to see your character. You will have the options to customize the character, and you will get instructions on how to play. So as you can see, you will have to go through the quests to evolve, gain levels, gain more stats, and you will be able to get instructions on how to actually play. You will have to reach certain level milestones to go over to the next islands, but once you do, you will be able to encounter more hard enemies and of course progress your level even more. So defeat these enemies here, make sure that you use your skill points, you will be able to learn how to play and get better on Grand Peace Online on any platform. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Grand Peace Online on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.